In this video, we're going to look at whether or not a set of ordered pairs or coordinate points are considered a function. And remember, a function is a relation where for every input, or x value, there's only one output, or y value. So here we have a bunch of x and y coordinate points, and that is already a relation. We're trying to figure out if this relation is a function. And so what you first have to do is you have to look at your x values. So here I have an x value of -1, and I have another -1. Here I have an x value of 3 and another 3, and here you have an x value of -6. And what we notice here is that for these x values, there's two different y values, -16 and -14. That happens to also be true for these x values. You see 3 and 3 again. Those happen to be two different y values again. So this is really not a function because of any one of these sets of points. So if you have two different outputs at an x value, then it is not a function. And so that is why this relationship, even though you have a set of coordinate points, is not a function.